Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana automations with rules for project workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up automations. Locate the Customize button in the top right corner of your project view. Click on the Customize button to open the customization panel. Scroll down to find the Rules section in the customization options. Click on Add Rule to create a new automation. Explore the various templates available for automations. Choose a template that fits your project needs or select Create Custom Rule for more control. If you selected a template, follow the prompts to configure specific actions. For a custom rule, begin by setting your trigger. Triggers can be events like task completion, new task creation, or status changes. Once you select a trigger, click on the Add Action button. Choose actions that will occur when the trigger is activated. Actions may include assigning tasks, changing due dates, or adding tags. You can set multiple actions for a single trigger to enhance your workflow. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is set correctly. You can also add conditions to your rules for more granular control. Once you're satisfied, give your new rule a descriptive name. Click on Create Rule to finalize your automation. Asana will display a confirmation message indicating the rule is now active. Test your new automation to verify it works as intended. Adjust the rule settings if necessary based on the test results. Return to the Customize panel at any time to edit or deactivate rules. Remember to keep your rules organized for easy management as your projects grow. Experiment with different triggers and actions to fully utilize Asana's automation capabilities. Document your rules for team members to understand the workflow. Regularly review and update your automations to ensure efficiency. Leverage Asana's community resources for additional best practices and tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.